This lesson will introduce you to the terms monomials and polynomials. A monomial is a product of variables and numbers. Some examples include 3x squared, 4x to the fourth, y z to the sixth, and the constant 4. You may have heard the word term. Term is another term used for monomial. They're kind of used interchangeably. Now, a polynomial is a finite sum of monomials. So an example would be if I took these and said 3x squared plus 4x to the fourth, yz to the sixth, minus 4. I know I said sum, but remember our integer math. Subtraction is the same thing as adding a negative. So this could be rewritten as 3x squared plus 4x to the fourth, yz to the sixth, plus negative 4, and it would be equivalent. Now let's talk about the degree of a monomial and polynomial. Now let's talk about the degree of a monomial and a polynomial. The degree of a monomial is the sum of its exponents. 3x squared, for example, has a degree of 2. 4x to the fourth, y z to the sixth has a degree of 11. Remember, the y is to the first power. We just don't write to the first power. We don't put a 1 there. So we are going to get 4 plus 1 plus 6, or 11. The constant 4 has a degree of 0. Now, why would that be? Remember, I can write this as 4 times x to the 0 power. And that would give us our 0 degree for the 0 exponent. But x to the 0 is equal to the whole number 1. So basically, 4 times 1, so I end up with 4. So when we have a constant, we say it has a degree of 0. Let's continue with the degree of a polynomial. It's the highest degree of all the monomials in the polynomial. Let's look at 3x squared plus 4x to the fourth, yz to the sixth, minus 4. We know that 3x squared had the degree of 2, 4x to the fourth, yz to the sixth had a degree of 11, and 4 has a degree of 0. The largest of these three is 11. So the degree of the polynomial is 11.